initially subscribed to mock tests, and later I found it very interesting. So next I even subscribed to MCQs, and then later even classes also.
Oh, okay.
And your classes were really mesmerizing, sir. Like literally, if we see your class, it's like you can blindly mark the MCQ.
Oh, that is
Sir, frankly to say, in my first grand test, I scored somewhere around 250 like that, sir.
okay.
So later on, before that, I completed Bailey, sir. But for my theory, I started revising. And later on, slowly, even my marks in mock test increased, sir. So it was simply like, so it was building some confidence.
Okay.
And later on, I started even doing MCQs and started listening to videos, and it continued, sir.
Right. And the notes and everything. How did you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So how did you find all of them?
They're too good, sir. It literally showed that you put your heart into them while preparing them.
That's a